Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to showcase my new FiveM script called the Pro Restaurant script. This script provides a complete restaurant system, including cooking, takeaway orders, delivery management, restaurant admin controls, and even a DJ music system. Let's take a look at how this script works. First, we have the fridge system inside the restaurant. When you open the fridge, you can see all the available ingredients that are used to prepare food. Players can collect the required ingredients from here before cooking. Now, let's move to the restaurant computer system. Here, you will see two main options. The first option is Manage Takeaway Orders. The second option is Manage Delivery Orders. These options allow the player to handle all incoming restaurant orders. When a delivery order arrives, the order details will appear on the computer. The player must first check the order and then prepare the required food. If any ingredient is missing, the player can collect it from the storage area outside the restaurant. After collecting the ingredients, the player can start preparing the food in the kitchen. Once the food is prepared, the order becomes ready for delivery. For delivery orders, the player can spawn a delivery vehicle from the restaurant parking area. The player will then drive to the delivery location and deliver the order. After completing the delivery, the vehicle should be parked back at the restaurant parking spot. Now let's talk about the takeaway order system. Takeaway orders can be managed through the restaurant computer. Inside the restaurant, there is also an admin laptop. This laptop allows the restaurant owner to manage several settings. Inside the admin menu, you will find three main options. The first option allows you to open or close the restaurant. The second option enables or disables the parcel mode. The third option allows you to activate or deactivate the shop blip on the map. To start receiving takeaway orders, the parcel mode must be activated. Once parcel mode is enabled, players can start placing takeaway orders. The pending orders will appear in the order management system. After preparing the order, the player can hand over the parcel to the customer outside the restaurant.
Breaking down, find a place you can return to, find a truth you can hold on to when the
This script also includes a DJ music system. Players can paste a YouTube URL into the DJ panel to play music inside the restaurant. You can add multiple URLs and also adjust the music volume as needed. This feature helps create a more immersive restaurant environment. And that was the Pro Restaurant script. This script offers a complete restaurant roleplay experience, including cooking, delivery, takeaway orders, admin controls, and a music system. If you are interested in this script, feel free to contact me. It's multi-restaurant script. You can add as many restaurants as you want. It has its own advanced billing system and advanced consumable system.
Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the light.
It has over 300 delivery points for your ease.
It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling.
Every shop has its own ingredients store, and it can be turned off or on via the in-game restaurant admin panel. Every restaurant has its own dedicated advanced log system.
When you're barely holding on. When the feeling's gone. Stranded in the open.
On every file, you will get a detailed guide.
Lacking all emotion. Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open. To a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion.
There are too many emotes added already. While consuming food or drink, you can add more by just copying from your existing emote script. You can block unnecessary domains on your DJ system. Currently fully tested on QBCore and QB Inventory. We will increase support on another core and inventories too, on demand.